Hey guys, Javier here with the real Javier Novoa. Just a quick, rough and ready video that I want to make for you guys. This is a testimony, perhaps what people that are churchgoers would call a testimony. This is a healing, guys, and remember, if I'm in the process of doing something or manifesting something, I never tell anybody. So you didn't hear about this yet, but I just discovered this today, sort of by surprise, guys, and I made a video about this when it happened, and I actually showed the part, I showed my finger. We're going to talk about it here in a second, but I deleted the video, and I was so upset, and I searched through my phone, and I did find a picture, and hopefully this will be convincing for you, but even if it's not, I don't really care whether we're convinced or not, but this is a healing, guys. So, in December, I was rear-ended in my car, and there was not a lot of damage, thank God, to the car. No one was hurt. The issue is, I crushed my pinky finger, this finger on my right hand. I crushed it, I stubbed it. I felt pain, but I didn't notice it until a little while after, while I was eating dinner that night. Here's what my finger looks like, guys. I hope you can see it here. That's my pinky finger right there. It was bent, and it would not straighten. And I was really worried about it, but I researched it, and people were saying that you have to put it in a stent. And in fact, I work in the pharmaceutical industry, and I talked to several pharmacists and doctors whom I see, and they said, yeah, you're going to need a stent for that, and the thing is, you're going to need to wear that stent for 8 to 16 weeks, and even then it's probably not going to heal. You're probably going to have a permanently crooked pinky finger. And especially, I motion a lot with my hands. I was a little bit ashamed to show it in my videos, but what I did was I made a video. I said, look, I don't want to even wear a stent. That's silly. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is use the principles of manifestation and basically allow this to heal, and that's what I did. And so what I did was, I got a very clear picture of that finger being straight, and I practiced it over a series of days. And then I said, you know what? It's already done. Now, this took a few months, and in the first few months, I was looking at it almost every day, almost every few days, and basically nothing got better. My pinky was crooked, guys. I had to bend my finger like this in order for it to get straight. What happened was, guys, I kept telling myself, no, this is done, and eventually I forgot all about it, and I didn't even look at it. Sometimes I would look at it and say, oh, it's there. Guys, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months later, I had basically forgotten about it, guys, and I had just gotten out of my bath, in which I made a video in the bath, guys, and I was doing my meditation. I went to bed to basically do a meditation, and I sort of saw my finger, and I said, wait a minute, the finger's completely straight. And guys, look at the finger. Now, I used to be able to sort of straighten it out when I did this, but the finger was like this, guys. I can't even bend it now. It won't even bend, but it was like this, only on the end of the pinky. Look at that straight finger, guys. Look at that. It's straight, and I basically did nothing about it except visualize the result that I wanted. Then I just forgot about it. Again, you saw that finger, and I want to put this down, and I want to do a little side by side. Here's what the finger looks like, guys. Here's what it looks like now. It's totally straight, guys. And doctors were telling me, no, this isn't usually fixed, guys. Doctors were telling me that fingers are very hard to fix. They were telling me we might be able to fix it, but if it doesn't fix with a stent, you might have to do surgery. No, guys, this is a healing. This is a testimony. Here's the finger, guys. This is a case study and proof that what? That you can heal anything. You can solve any problem, even problems that others say that cannot be healed, by getting into state. I'm very excited to announce this, guys. I'm very excited to bring this to you because, again, indeed, it's something that I had forgotten all about. I checked it out tonight. As of today, guys, I'm completely healed, completely whole in that finger. So, remember, get into the state of what you want, then forget about it. Don't even worry about the outer, and I promise you, it will come true on the outer, guys. A testimonial experience on the real Javier Novoa. I'm probably going to post this on the Facebook group first, and then perhaps we'll post it on the channel as well. So, guys, email me for coaching calls, guys. We will take you step by step through this modality. Subscribe to the channel. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can get this information out to more people. Until very soon, with much love and appreciation, this is Javier. Ciao.